Two project management giants. Millions of fans. But which one truly fits your style in 2025? Which one really delivers? On the left, ClickUp, the all-in-one project management powerhouse. And on the right, Trello, your effortless visual task organizer. Let's skip past the marketing hype and get right into the real-world differences. We'll break it down category by category, scoring each one, so you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The final verdict might surprise you.
All right, here's what we're going to compare. Pricing, always a hot topic. Then we've got features and customization because, honestly, people love tweaking stuff. Integrations are huge. Gotta talk about how these play with other apps. Ease of use, because who wants to be stuck in a confusing app? There's collaboration, so working together easily. Reporting and analytics for the number nerds. Mobile and accessibility for when you're on the go. And finally, customer support and resources. That's the full map. Ready for scene one?
Let's kick off with pricing because, this is what everyone checks first.
So, ClickUp? Kinda impressive. Their free plan is, how do I say this? Super generous. We're talking unlimited users and unlimited tasks. Seriously, not a bad way to start if you have a big team or just, a lot of stuff to track. The free tier even packs in a ton of features. You almost don't feel limited. The only catch, when you go paid, those plans start at $7 per user per month, which is honestly a bit steeper than most. But with all the stuff you get, maybe worth it? Now, Trello is pretty sweet for folks just starting out, or if you're super budget conscious. Free plan is definitely easy to get into, and paid options start a bit lower, just $5 per user a month. But the thing is, if your team grows or your workflow gets more complex, Trello's free plan might feel a little cramped. So yeah, subtle flex, ClickUp wins here, especially for features in the free plan.
All right, features and customization. This is where things get exciting, or honestly a little overwhelming.
ClickUp is the definition of extra. It throws in granular task management. You can set up dependencies and, automations galore. Every kind of view imaginable. List, board, Gantt, timeline, and you get built-in time tracking, goals, actual dashboards. The catch here, it's kinda a beast to get your head around if you're new. And sometimes, the interface feels a little crowded if you just want the basics. Trello, on the other hand, is kind of famous for that crisp Kanban style, and it's so simple. Just drag, drop, done. Perfect for new teams or anyone just wanting to jump in with zero fuss. But if you want stuff like dependencies or more reporting, you actually got to add power-ups, which not only clutters things up a bit, but also locks some features behind paywalls. So when you think about depth and flexibility, let's be real. ClickUp is taking this round.
Integrations next. Because, let's face it, nobody wants an app that isolates your workflow.
ClickUp's got pretty strong native connections. Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zapier, HubSpot. Even has API support for all you technical folks. But, with a big but, honestly, if you count the built-in integrations, Trello just outshines here. Trello has, get this, over 300 possible integrations thanks to its Power-Ups system. You want it working with Slack, Google Workspace, whatever? Piece of cake. Only snag? Some really key integrations fall behind a paywall. That's a little annoying, but overall, Trello's the champ for sheer number and flexibility.
Oh, and here's something cool.
Did you know that Trello was originally built at a hackathon and now over 50 million people use it worldwide? Yeah, wild. Just a fun fact to flex next time someone brings up project management tools.
So, usability. Who has time to learn a whole new system these days? If you jump into ClickUp, it greets you with templates, guides, all the help, but you're going to need them. The workspace is super customizable, but not the easiest to master. There's definitely a learning curve, and it takes some work to go from to aha. Trello's a total breeze in comparison. You open it, drag, drop your cards, cycle lists. It's visual, it's fast, and it's honestly welcoming to total beginners. Of course, the simplicity brings less depth for the power users, but for most, this user-friendliness, that's a big win for Trello.
Collaboration time. Because working solo is so last year.
ClickUp lets your teams chat in real time, drop comments, make threads, and you get pimped out notification options. Permissions? Super detailed. You want to lock down who sees what? You got it. The only real quirk is, when your project gets massive, it can slow down a little, especially those real-time updates. Trello's not too shabby here either. Tasks are easy to assign, you can comment and attach files all day. But no live editing, and way fewer permission tweaks. So overall, for actual teamwork and boss-level controls, ClickUp powers ahead. Now, reporting and analytics. If you love dashboards, stats, timelines, ClickUp is almost obsessive. Like, you get advanced reporting, Gantt charts, workload management, goal tracking, the list goes on. But I'll admit, if you're just the quick glance type, this level could almost overwhelm you. Trello's more hands-off. Basic activity logs, notifications, not much in terms of number crunching. No advanced reporting, really. So this one's easy. ClickUp totally wins for analytics. Another day, another mobile app. ClickUp's mobile experience has all the main features, so on paper it's kind of impressive. But some users say it's a little clunky, not as smooth to jump around compared to desktop. Trello, on the flip side, is just simple, clean, super reliable, doesn't try too hard, and delivers solid usability. Sure, you don't get every desktop feature, but honestly, that's what makes it so breezy to use. Trello easily slides into the winner's spot for mobile.
Last up, customer support and resources. ClickUp's got ClickUp University, webinars, huge help docs, the kind of stuff if you really want to deep dive. But reports say you might be waiting longer to actually get one-on-one help compared to Trello. Now, Trello serves up live chat, a crazy active community, all the help you need, and people find their support super responsive. Only note, some support features are just for paying users. Fair enough, but for most folks, Trello treats you better here.
All right, I want to give you that top-down glance at how these stack up across every category. ClickUp's scoring high in features, collaboration, reporting, and that super generous free plan, but stumbles just a bit in usability and mobile. Trello's strengths really pop in ease of use, integrations, mobile, and support. But you do trade off some depth and advanced control. Looking at the chart, you can totally see why some teams love going full-on ClickUp, while others just want to keep it simple with Trello. All right, big question. Who's for you? If you need all the advanced features, tons of custom dashboards, and like tweaking every aspect, ClickUp's made for you. But honestly, for visual simplicity, super quick onboarding, and handling basic or even moderate project stuff, Trello is just easy and reliable. Both have awesome free plans, so best move? Give both a whirl and see what actually fits your workflow.
So, have a favorite yet? Go ahead and try out both free plans, see what actually makes you happy day to day. Don't forget to bookmark this. Your team's needs might change, and you'll want to swing back and compare again. Good luck smashing your next big project.